Hi, hello friends, welcome to NBK Diaries. I hope you are doing great. In our daily life, maintaining our own necessities is a big thing. We all know that. We need to look after many things from the time we wake up. Consider a family which is having 5 to 6 members. It has many necessities to be accomplished. They need to look after food, shelter, clothing, earnings, savings, the expenditure, and the entertainment of each and every member of the family. There are so many things to look after. Isn't it a lot of work to do? Yes, it is. Now, consider a big, huge company where there are many departments, many modules, many plants at many locations. They have to maintain database of each and every employee and the material of each and every plant. They need to maintain the payrolls of all the employees and the products they are manufacturing and they are delivering to the customer. What are the raw materials they are using? What are the raw materials they are buying from the vendor through logistics, providing the quotation, preparing sales order and purchase order. There are hell lot of things to be maintained which is very difficult. So to maintain all these business of an organization we have ERP. Today we will discuss about ERP. Let's get started. Enterprise Resource Planning. This is a business process management software or suite that allows an organization to use a system of integrated applications to manage the business and automate many back office functions related to technology, finance, sales and distribution, manufacturing, human resource, etc. and etc. of the company. This ERP has a unified database which helps in easy maintenance and reduces the cost. In this picture, you can see how ERP is helping an organization by providing its support in various departments. ERP has consultants who work with the organization to maintain their business. One example is if we consider the role of ERP in HR department, ERP helps to manage employee information, track employee records like performance reviews, designations, job descriptions, skill matrix, time and attendance, etc. One of the important submodule in HR is the payroll system, which is very complex and which helps to manage salaries, payment reports, etc. It can also include travel expenses and reimbursement tracking. And coming to the role of ERP in finance module, it keeps track of all account related transactions like expenditures, balance sheets, account ledgers, budgeting, banking statements, payment receipts, tax management, etc. Likewise, ERP helps the organization in every module and sees that everything goes without breaching the deadlines. ERP has many advantages, but we need to mention these 5 important advantages of ERP. ERP reduces the manual efforts and tries to remove all the routine and repetitive process. This improves the performance of the business, and by streamlining the business process, it makes the company efficient. Lot of customizations can be made to the business by using ERP suite. We can generate many kinds of reports using complex data. Security is maintained at each level in ERP right from the start of user creation. Data is safe and securely maintained in a database which has lot of restrictions from access. High quality customer service can be provided using an ERP system and it can be provided very easily. Sales and customer service representatives can develop better relations with customer. All the data is maintained at one location, which is in turn increasing the security level of the ERP system. ERP has few drawbacks also. The cost of ERP software, planning, customizing, configuration, testing, implementation, etc. is too high. The training of ERP is also too high. Little customizations may not integrate the ERP system with the business process, and too much customizations may slow down the project and make it difficult to upgrade. These are some of the ERP systems that are widely being used in the present day world. All these are upgrading themselves to the next level by providing new applications now and then. Among them, SAP is the most widely used ERP software by many organizations to maintain their business. It holds 6% of the market share and $5.3 billion in ERP market. Till now we have discussed about ERP, what are the modules in ERP, advantages and disadvantages of ERP and few vendors of ERP. And now here we are to discuss about SAP, the best ERP package or software or suite that is being used all over the world. We will have a small introduction of SAP in this video, and we will start SAP tutorials and tips in the further videos. The first and foremost question we need to ask ourselves is why SAP? Why are we choosing only SAP when there are many other ERP softwares in the market? There are several reasons why we are going for SAP. Some of them are: SAP improves flexibility because of its layered architecture. SAP improves productivity. It is less expensive compared to other competitors providing the same functionality. SAP provides best customer support to its customers who bought their product. SAP allows customizing the software to specific needs of the company. SAP is user-friendly, familiar looking, and feels like Windows operation. Transactions can be done easily. SAP improves the effectiveness and efficiency of the employees. SAP gives reliable, accurate, and instant information. SAP support all the fields such as marketing, finance, human resource, logistics, operations, etc. As SAP supports the business of an organization, it should have these important modules incorporated in it. Finance and controlling department is the most important module in SAP and in other ERPs also. It stores all the financial transactions data. There are many reports that will be generated from these modules such as balance sheets, profit loss statements, etc. It can also be called as FICO. It has sub-modules like general ledger accounting, accounts payable, accounts receivable, AR and AP, banking accounting, etc. Sales and distribution SD maintains all the sales related data right from the raise of quotation to a sales order of an organization and delivery of the product to the customer. HR department manages employee information, track employee records like performance reviews, designations, job description, skill matrix, time and attendance tracking. It can also include travel expense and reimbursement tracking. Materials management is a part of logistics area and helps to manage the procurement activity of an organization from procurement. It is the backbone of logistics area, which incorporates modules like sales and distribution, production planning, plant maintenance, project systems, warehouse management. ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Programming. As the name itself specifies, it helps in developing new business applications, creating reports, printing confidential forms, etc. ABAP is a high-level language which is easily understood when compared to Java or some other computer languages. SQL queries are used in this to fetch information from database tables. This is a 4th generation programming language and it is case sensitive. All the screens or sessions and transactions which we use inside SAP package are developed using ABAP. Data from database tables is collected into internal tables at runtime and manipulated to get the exact report as expected. Once we are familiar with internal table operations, then we can play with ABAP. These are few components of ABAP which will be used widely to create reports or develop applications. In the next video, we will see some tips and tricks in ABAP and tutorials for beginners to get started in SAP. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe. Please let me know your questions or comments.